How to fix Instagram update, bug, or glitches. If you're experiencing issues like freezing or crashing on Instagram, follow these steps to fix them. First, check if the issue is with Instagram itself. Open your browser and search for "Is Instagram down?" This will lead you to the Down Detector website, where you can see if there are any widespread server problems with Instagram. If you notice a spike on the chart, it means the bug is related to Instagram's servers, and all you can do is wait for Instagram to resolve it, which should take a couple of hours. If the issue isn't related to Instagram's servers, the next step is to fix the app itself. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, then go to iPhone Storage, and find Instagram. From there, tap Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data. After that, tap Reinstall to download the latest version of Instagram. This fresh installation ensures you have the most up-to-date version, which can fix any bugs you're encountering. That's it. Hopefully, this helped resolve your Instagram issues. If it did, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.